Hey, honey, my sweet sugar dumpling, tap in. So today is I Manifest Friday, and I'm telling you, while I'm doing this content, I'm really feeling my emotions. Ashe to the ancestors that came before us. I miss my dad. Ashe, thank you, thank you, thank you. So today we're calling in a love on this I Manifest Friday that doesn't just touch the body, but heals the bloodline. You see, some of what you're feeling in intimacy, the tension, the shutdown, the overgiving, it's not even yours. You may be carrying your mother's heartbreak, your grandmother's silence, or the ache your father never spoke about. But in sacred intimacy with breath, presence, and trust, you can release it. You can rewrite the code. In Taoist wisdom, the lungs are where we store grief, especially grief we never voice. So when we allow someone to touch us with love and reverence and safety, you're not just softening your body, we're actually exhaling what our ancestors never had the chance to release. With every conscious breath, every chest-to-chest embrace, you can say, it ends with me. Intimacy is not just for pleasure, it really is medicinal. When we're being witnessed in our most vulnerable state, and we can still feel honored, a sacred alchemy begins. Fear fades, walls fall, and we begin to feel safe, to be seen, to be soft, to be whole. So whether through sacred touch, eye gazing, breath work, or simply being held in stillness, this is a kind of love that it rewires generations. It heals our lineage. So today, I invite you to breathe deeply into your chest. Place your hands on your lungs and exhale and just release what no longer serves you. Yes, when we are present in our bodies and we give ourselves a permission to love ourselves and heal our inner child, we actually heal our bloodline. So today, let me invite you to breathe deeply into your chest again and exhale, because we do have the ability to manifest that love that meets you there in your softness, in your sacredness, your divine desire to be free. Because when you feel the innermost depth of your shadows, know that you can heal that. And when you heal that in love, you just don't heal yourself, you heal your entire lineage. So stay juicy, stay grounded, and stay delicious. And I'll see you next Friday, sugar dumplings. Peace and honor.